we need to 3 to the power mod x is equal to mod of 2 minus mod x. We will try to solve this graphically. We need to find number of real solutions of this equation. Let's start with the right hand side of this equation. Let's first try drawing mod of x. Y is equal to mod of x. So I have this as y axis. This is my x axis. Now y equal to mod x will be a v-shaped graph which will pass through origin. This is y equal to mod x. We can get y equal to minus mod x if we invert this graph about the x-axis, something like this. This will be the graph of y is equal to minus mod x, but we need 2 minus mod x, right? So we need to shift this graph 2 units along the y-axis. So let's say this point is 0, 2. So we can shift this graph parallelly like this, and this will be the graph for 2 minus mod of x. But the RHS is mod of 2 minus mod of x. So irrespective of the values taken by 2 minus mod x, the mod of 2 minus mod x will always be positive. So the part of this graph that lies below the x-axis has to be inverted. Right? Now we can invert this portion of the graph on the positive side, right? To attain positive values of y. Similarly, on the left hand side of the x-axis, this portion which is on the negative side of y, we can invert this on the positive side. Now this W-shaped graph is the graph for mod of 2 minus mod x, right? This one. Let's draw this graph afresh. So let's draw the xy axis again. This is y, this is x. This was 0, 2. Now let's look at the left hand side of the equation, 3 to the power mod x. So we will start with 3 to the power x. At x equal to 0, the value is 1. So at x equal to 0, we have 0, 1. And then with positive x, 3 to the power x goes on increasing, something like this. Now the nature of 3 to the power mod x is such that for any parity of x, whether it is negative or positive, the magnitude of 3 to the power mod x will remain the same. So basically it's an even function, and the graph will be symmetric about the y-axis. So we can draw the graph for negative values of x like this. Now this is the graph for 3 to the power mod x. This is the graph for mod of 2 minus mod x. Now the number of real solutions of the original equation will be got by finding the number of intersection points of these two curves, and we see that these two curves intersect at 2 distinct points. Hence there are 2 real solutions.